All right, what's going on, YouTube? How's it going out there in YouTube land? You've landed on the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name is Jim. I am a cryptocurrency trader, and I trade on the foreign exchange as well, the Forex. And I'm here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. That's my specialty here on YouTube. I just focus in on the Elliott wave perspective. That's what you're going to get on this channel. So we're going to look at the Bitcoin market. We're going to look at XRP, Ethereum as well. I just kind of look at all those because they're kind of correlated charts, and we want to see what's going on. And I just want to show you a pattern in this chart, guys, that it could mean more downsides coming. I want to show it to you, and you can see it on the screen right here in XRP, and I'll just begin explaining it to you. So, could this pattern mean downside? Yeah, quite potentially. If this pattern is correct, if this way of interpreting the chart is correct, I've got a couple other ways to interpret it, so I'll share those things with you as well. But don't forget, none of this is financial advice. Just showing you my perspective on the market using Elliott wave principles. Okay, all right, let's jump into the market. Well, the pattern I'm looking at here, guys, is a 335. Okay, a 335 correction is a wave. It's kind of tricky in the market, especially, and the market makers use it very, very well, and it's designed to mess you up. Okay, here's what it does. Basically, the trend here is down. Obviously, the trend is down. Okay, a corrective wave when the trend is down is up, right? So basically, this is down. That's it. Whoop, sorry about that, guys. Let me. This is. Come on. There we go. Uh, Try that again. I got a down wave, and let me just move this out of the way. There we go. Corrective wave, down wave, corrective wave, down wave. Now, at some point, that down wave is going to end, and we're going to get a larger corrective wave, or we're going to get a reversal, right? And that's what everybody's waiting for. When is this correction going to be over, and when is it done? Well, the question, you'll notice that there are different sizes of corrections. We've got little small corrections in here, and we've got larger corrections right here. And this, I'm asserting that this could be a larger correction, even on a larger scale than this wave. Let me clear the screen a little bit and show you, and which would imply, guys, that this isn't actually the beginning of this move right here, isn't the beginning of a reversal pattern, but rather it's the end of a corrective wave that's going to bring more downside. Okay, and this is what we call a flat. A 335 is a flat. There's nothing about it. This is an expanded flat, and an expanded flat basically. Sorry about that. That's my dad. I got to call my dad right after this video. An expanded flat basically has a wave count of 335. The first two waves are 3. The first wave is 3. The second wave is 3, and the third wave is 5. Okay, 3, 3, and 5. So you can see that quite clearly here. There's a three-wave move. Actually, I'm kind of counting this as a three-wave flat right there. Then there's a three-wave move there, and then there's a five-wave move. I think that, guys, we're going to get another push to the upside up to this region here before we come back down. That's a strong possibility that I'm at least entertaining, kind of just from experience in the market. Okay, I see that all the time. Okay, in fact, we'll just zoom in here to the 2-minute chart. I'll do a quick fib measurement of this particular wave here, and we'll see where we expect it to come down. If this is a corrective wave, it has already come to the 1-to-1 extension. You can see right here, and it's kind of flattening out right there, looking for a reversal, but it could come on down here to the 127 extension. It could come as low as the 1618 extension, as long as it gets reversal off of those regions. But if we get a substantial close beyond the 1618 here, then obviously we're going to continue going down. Now we are looking at Ripple. You say, what's that got to do with the market? Well, really, the Bitcoin chart and the Ripple chart are highly correlated. I've been trading Ripple lately and following how they correlate, and they correlate very well. So we're going to look at Bitcoin here in just a second. But again, just kind of teaching the principles here of the flat. So basically, the B wave, the second 3 wave, the B wave will actually make a lower low than the A wave right here. So this will make a lower low than the A wave. And then the fifth wave comes up impulsively. It'll be a 5-wave. I mean, not the fifth wave, but the C wave. So this is A, that's B, this is C. Okay, the C wave will come up impulsively, kind of come up fast. Okay, it'll make it feel like it's reversal-ish. Okay, and that's exactly what's happened. And you can kind of see that you got a 3-wave down. You thought we were making a new low. Everybody's getting short here. Even I was even more bearish than I should have been. Not as patient as I should have been here, and basically it came back up on you, right? And in fact, this little turn right here makes everybody think, okay, it's going to continue coming down, and anybody that's short is feeling better right now until this thing goes against you and makes another higher high. That's going to drive the nail in the coffin of anybody that's short from down here. Anybody that's short from down here is going to really be freaking out, especially if this goes back up here, makes another high before it comes down. Okay, and that's the way the psychology of this wave works. Okay, it breaks the psychology of a flat. It breaks the low. Okay, makes you think it's going to go really deeper. Then there's a very quick reversal. Okay, and then it screws you out of your position there, and then it continues on in the direction of the trend. Okay, so be careful here. That's the pattern I'm seeing. It's kind of screaming, hey, there's more potential downside to come. That's assuming I have interpreted this properly as a 3, 3, and a 5. Okay, it's got good shape. It's got good measurement. As far as I'm concerned, it right now it's still a valid count. Now, when does it become invalidated? Well, it becomes invalidated basically if this wave just continues on with any kind of probably a 1618 extension right there. So if we get past the 1618 extension of these two waves here, then I'm going to be thinking maybe that flat idea is wrong, and this is indeed the beginning of a reversal wave. Okay, that doesn't mean it's going to go up forever. Again, once that reversal wave, first wave is finished, we'll get a 3-wave pullback, and then we continue on the way. So those are the two options I'm seeing right now, guys. Basically, come on. First option on the table here, and I'll show it to you in Bitcoin. Same kind of idea in Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. I'll show it to you in both charts. But basically, this is the cleanest and the clearest, the XRP chart, which I really like as an Elliott Wave trader. The XRP chart is super, super clear a lot of the time, so I'm really liking it. I'm not traded it much, but been trading it lately, and I like it. Anyway, so basically, you know, as long as we get reversal somewhere around before the 1618 here, then I'm going to be thinking, hey, downside to come. Now another potential here is we could get a 5-wave move here. Okay, when that 5-wave move is finished, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, could get a 3-wave pullback, and then we continue. So that's another possibility as well, because this 5-wave could be the end of this flat, or it could be the beginning of a reversal. It just all depends on whether this structure goes together or this is the ending wave of this move right there. Okay, so that's those are the basic ideas that we're looking at here. Now, if it's not a 335, you'd have to interpret this as a 5-wave. Okay, it'd be a 5-wave finishing wave, and we'd have to say, okay, how can that be a 5-wave finisher? Well, let's look at it and see if we can get 5 waves out of it. Now, one thing I know, the first thing I do when I'm counting waves is I put the fibs on it. Okay, the very first thing I do. So I've got the 1618 comes right here. I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a nice, beautiful 5-wave move right there. Okay. And one of the reasons I was pretty bearish is because of that clear 5-wave. 3, 4, 5 right there. And then we got this 3-wave pullback, okay? And then I was expecting a deeper move down. But actually what happened is we got a 5, a 3, and a 5. That's why I'm calling it a 3-wave. However, if that's not the case, then what we're looking at here is, let me put the fibs back on it, okay? We're actually looking at 1, 2, all this is 3 right here. This is 4, and then we got an extended 5th. The 4 doesn't break the plane of the 1, so we're good to go there. And we have an extended 5th wave. Okay, that an extended 5th wave usually comes to a 1-to-1 extension of 1 to 4. Right there, and you can see how we came to the 1-to-1 extension there. So that's a way to count that as a 5-wave move. So I understand that that's a possibility. This could be the ending wave of something with a move to the upside beginning here, or and this is the difficult part of this. We have a 3-wave move there, a 3-wave move there, and then we have a 5-wave move. I think we're going to get one more hit to the high. That's just my feeling, my gut, before we come down. Okay, and that would be a 335 correction. So either way, guys, that's the way the market's looking to me in XRP. So we're watching both. If we break this low down here, guys, it's not a 1-2 to the upside, obviously. So if we break this low, this flat was the correct. Okay, if we get past the 1618 area that was way up here on this wave, then there's a good likelihood that this flat is not in play and that we're heading up from here. Okay. All right, let's look at Bitcoin and see what we can see here. You can kind of see the same formation here. Looks very flattish. The only problem is it doesn't have the same clean count that the XRP has, and so that makes me think, hey, maybe not. Maybe this is the beginning of a reversal. So that's one thing that kind of tempers my view here. Okay. Excuse me, I got a stuffy nose, guys. I'm sorry. We did stop. Let's see here. We did play around the 618 extension here in this fifth wave move, and so this could be the end of 5 waves, a 5 wave move here, and this could be the beginning of a 3 wave pullback. Okay, but if not, again, looking at a flat correction here in the middle, might have another hit to the high, like I said, before we come down and make more downside to come. So be aware and be careful of that, guys. That's a possibility that's in play. Okay, but where and what could it be if we get more downside? Well, guys, I've been talking about this for a while now, and I'll talk about it again. Let's look at this wave and break it down just a little bit here. I see a 3 wave move right there in the middle, guys. Right there's a 3 wave flat. We got a 3 wave beginner and then a 3 wave ender right there. And so basically, when I put that together, I got a 3, and a 3 WXY right in the middle. I got an impulse and an impulse. And what this basically is, guys, is just a weird shape 3 wave correction. Oh, try that again. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and I would expect if this is going to come to the 786 or the 18 or the 1-to-1 extension. I'm targeting here 11.2. If we get more downside, guys, I'm targeting 11.2 to 10,900. And you can see why that would freak the market out, guys. But that would be, in the grand scheme of things, if I just zoom out for you, just a complex 4th wave. Okay, just a complex 4th wave of this 5th wave structure. And so basically, I'd be seeing this as come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get one more hit to the high. Okay, when that's finished, and then guys, I think we're going to be in for a deeper correction. Okay, might be swift, but a deeper 3 wave move before moon. That's a potential count. We'll talk about that scenario, the more upside potential, and we'll talk about that correction if we get that kind of price action. Okay, so we just need some more verification in the charts here. We need some more ideas to come, but right now I'm seeing in this wave the strong potential of more downside. Not in that this is not the beginning of a reversal, but nevertheless I could be wrong on that. Obviously it's wrong. I'm just showing you possibilities from an Elliott wave structure standpoint. Okay, all right. Ethereum showing the same kind of structure. We're looking at Ethereum now. Ethereum's playing around the 127 and the 1618 extension of the first wave, but Ethereum has a beautiful, more of a 3 wave shape to it that kind of tags the 1618 and then reverses. So Ethereum's got me thinking up. To be honest with you, Ethereum's got me looking up, but that flat is still there. I could be wrong, and Ethereum could be ready to tank even deeper than that. So we'll have to wait and see on what Ethereum's going to do here. But anyway, if this is a flat right here, which it's not the greatest shape in the world, but if it is, then we have more downside to come. Okay, but if I'm wrong and this was the end of the move, which the fibs kind of lend its support to that on Ethereum, that this is the beginning of a reversal. This is a 5-wave move. We get a 3-wave pullback, and then we're going to be off to the races to the upside. So I'm going to be on guard for both positions. We'll have to watch the wave structure as they're being formed, and that's what I do here. I'm aware of those two scenarios. I know what wave structures to be looking for, and as soon as the chart kind of gives me the wave structure and the Fibonacci measurements that I'm looking for, then I'll have a clue as to where we're going, and I'll know how to trade it. But until then, we just trade the waves as they come. All right, guys, you guys have a great night. There's just a quick video helping you understand where we are in the market on the micro scale and just looking at what the implications of this wave are, what it could be as we're looking at that. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping into the Jim of All Trades channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you like the video, hey, hit a like and leave a comment. That'd be great. And if you have any questions about flats, just let me know. Until then, you guys have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.